Hey, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. I wanted to share with you guys another tool that came out with this latest version of Photoshop. It's called Firefly Workspace. It's actually pretty handy when you need to generate a quick image, make some edits, or change aspect ratios. This workspace makes it quick and easy. Stay tuned to the end for an important tip you won't want to miss. So what exactly is this Firefly Workspace? It's a space to make edits that's separate from your Photoshop file, which is a good thing, and I'll show you why in a minute. You'll find it from your Home tab in Photoshop. Just select Firefly Workspace from the left side. Then you can add a file or use something from your Firefly history. You'll then see a focused view of Firefly tools and generative models. Sometimes you just need a resize, or you just want to try out different backgrounds. Once you're done, just hit Open in Editor and you're back in Photoshop. Using this workspace can help keep your Photoshop file free of multiple generative objects that can cause your file to get really big. So what does it do? Well, it helps you edit fast. In addition to the usual Firefly tools, you'll also find partner models available in the prompting tool. You can even generate more than one image at a time, making your time more productive. Besides these tools, I hope they'll add the AI markup tool from Firefly soon. Check out my video on this amazing new tool. Here's what you get with the Firefly tools. Generative Expand, perfect when you just need a different size, giving you a fill for the extra space. Fill and Expand to make targeted changes to your image or generate objects. Remove to remove unwanted objects and distractions. Generative Upscale for higher resolutions, with both Firefly and Topaz models available. And Remove Background, super handy for layering composites. And here's the tip. This workspace is best for quick edits, not options, because once you leave the workspace and go back, it resets itself, so you lose your current workspace. However, it does save your generated work in your Firefly history. And if you hover over your images in the history, you can get a partial prompt. So be careful when using this tool and save it for quick edits.